The Unlock series of games are a really fun at-home escape room style game that you can pick up in most big box stores and take home and enjoy. I am going to run through the tutorial that comes in each of the boxes just to give you an idea of how the mechanics of the game work, how the app works, and you can see if it's something you might like to pick up for yourself. So with that said, I'm going to press play on the timer and we'll get on with it. So the story: I have been called for an interview with the Unlock Secret Society on the top floor of an office building. The manager welcomes you with a smirk. He leaves you in a seemingly trivial room and locks the door behind him. So you press start, you flip over this card, and this is a mechanic that is used in all the Unlock games. So you flip over the card and it gives you some other numbers to find. So we need 11, 42, 35, 69, and 21. So with the rules in this game, you can add a blue number and a red number to get you another number. You would flick through your deck of cards to see if you can find that number, and if you can, you have combined those two items successfully, and you can flip that card over and see where the next part of the story takes you. So right now we have one blue and two reds. Don't think we're going to be able to add the key to the television, so we'll add the key to the lock cabinet. So 11 and 35 gives us 46. So we flip over 46. We've now unlocked the cabinet. It tells us to discard the two cards that we've used, and we now have a new piece of information that we can use. So just so that it's easier to see, we'll see that there is two interesting elements in this picture. Inside the cabinet there, you can see we have the number 16. So we will take out card number 16, and then you'll notice this drawing here might look very similar to something that we already have. So I will take card 16, flip it over, and now we have a wire. And my guess is that we're going to be able to do something with that wire. So for now, these green cards are what are called machines in the app. So we go to the machine button, we type in 69, and we press OK. To use this machine, you must press the buttons matching the right pins and press OK. You lose 1 minute per error. It's best to first understand which are the right pins before using it. So we're going to take a guess that the right pins are the middle two because of how this one is done here. So we're going to join the two middle ones, press OK. That gives us the number 9. As I said earlier on, red can be added to blue. So we're going to add the red number 9 to our only blue number, which is 16. That's going to give us number 25. Flip over number 25. Well done, you've restored power by placing the wire on the machine. So we discard the cards that we used to do that, which are 16, 46, and 69. Now we have a blue number that can be used to add to a red number. And 6 is our blue number, our only red number is 42, that leaves us with number 48. So we flip number 48, and we have gotten the TV to work, and the TV tells us that we can discard 25 and 42. So they're gone, and we are now left with the door and a code on the TV. And if you can see, there is the word exit written on the door, and it is written in 4 colors. The numbers on the TV are 4 colors, and so we need to enter a code to exit this room. So every card in the game that has a padlock on it is a code card. So we will enter the code menu, and so we will look at the word exit, which is red, yellow, blue, green. So we will enter the numbers in red, yellow, blue, green, which will give us 9, 3, 7, 2. 7, 2. So that means we have successfully escaped from our tutorial. We can press this star to see what score we got. So it shows you how long it took, the amount of hints, wrong answers, how many machines you got wrong, and how many codes you got wrong. So because this is the tutorial, we didn't get any wrong, but this is the easiest part of the whole Unlock series, the tutorial. What I will say is the tutorial has quite a jump from what you are doing in the normal run of events, because the tutorial is very much just add these blue and this red, do one code, do one machine, it gets you how the thing's working. The actual game has an awful lot more going on, and it is actually like quite fun to get into. And some of the scenarios and situations with the cards, the way you need to combine them, it's actually really, really cleverly done. I think we played about 17 or 18 unlocked at this point, and we're always surprised by how much they are able to cram in to a single deck of cards. So if that seems like something you like or would enjoy, check out some of the unlock series. I've got a couple of reviews for some of the unlocks on my channel. I will be uploading some gameplay videos once I get a proper camera set up. That sounds like the type of thing you'd be interested in. Give me a subscribe so you get notified when the videos go live. I hope to see you there.